Here's the weekly weather briefing for the Ark-Limits region for November 20th, 2023. There's an enhanced risk of severe weather late this afternoon through the overnight hours. Some of those storms may bring some heavy rainfall, but widespread flooding is not anticipated. Even with the rain that we are receiving with this system and the last system, overall drought conditions are not expected to change. We will remain in a severe to exceptional drought. A couple of disturbances in the Caribbean and in the Atlantic through the week are not expected to develop into anything, and there are not expected to be any impacts to the Gulf Coast region. Here's the outlook for today. There's an enhanced risk of severe storms where strong tornadoes are possible, some with long tracks, golf ball up to golf ball size hail, and winds up to 70 miles per hour will be possible. Storms are expected to develop late in the afternoon as a low pressure system pushes warm, moist air into the area. As a cold front passes, severe storms are likely to develop just ahead of that system. We're looking for the cold front to continue to track east across the area, with much of the activity in the central and eastern parts of the area happening overnight. Um, and then the system moving out of the area early on Tuesday. There may be some lingering rain across the area into early to mid morning on Tuesday. There will be another round of rain possible on Thursday as another low pressure system and cold front uh, briefly passes through the area. No large impacts are expected with this system, just some light to moderate rain. Here's a look at the rainfall as we go through the week. Most of the rain that occurs will happen with the system for today. Some of the stronger storms may produce rainfall in the excess of 1 to 2 inches, but widespread flooding is not expected across the area. There may be some ponding and maybe some um, localized flooding, small creeks or streams filling up. Here's a look at the rainfall for Thursday. We're not anticipating any large rainfall amounts. Maybe some light to moderate rain, kind of Thursday evening into Thursday night, with the system moving out by Friday morning. Overall, most of the rain is expected to fall with the system that moves through today. Otherwise, it should be generally dry for the week. So here's a look at the forecast. Today will be the warmest day. Temperatures are getting into the 70s. Behind the front, temperatures will continue to fall with most of the area in the lower to mid 50s through the week and in the mid to upper 30s, somewhere around 40 for the rest of the week. We'll have strong storms that move in through tonight. Almost severe will be possible. We'll get another shot of rain potentially on Thursday. Otherwise, going into the weekend, it should be dry across the area. Dry conditions again are expected to remain the same, with exceptional drought likely for most of the area. Not much expected in the tropics. The couple of disturbances that are out there are not expected to have any impacts on the Gulf Coast region. So, to follow up, we're looking for strong severe storms to move through the area this afternoon into the overnight areas. All most severe are possible. Some of these storms will happen overnight. Make sure you have a plan for what to do if you're sleeping when storms move through your area. Have multiple ways to get severe weather reports and information. Um, there will be some heavy rain with the stronger storms, but widespread flooding is not expected. Ponding of water and localized flooding will be possible with some of the stronger storms. Drought conditions are not expected to change. They should remain in the severe to exceptional range. And again, tropics look to be quiet for the rest of the week. Thank you for watching the briefing. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call at 601-936-2189. Make sure to follow us on social media via Facebook or Twitter.